Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. This is Ramakant. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Learning English Together. In today's video, we are going to talk about something super important, and it is called how to make a daily routine for speaking English. Yes, guys, if you have been struggling with speaking fluently or just don't know where to start, then this video is for you. So make sure to watch this video till the end. And remember, consistency is the key to improvement. And if you are setting up a simple, easy routine, then you can start to speak English with confidence every day. So let's dive into the video without any delay. First of all, you have to set clear goals. Yes, guys, the first thing that you need to do is to set clear goals because without goals, it is very hard to stay motivated. And you need to ask some question to yourself like, do I really want to improve my English? Do I really want to speak English for 5 minutes every day? Do I want to work on my vocabulary? Do I want to improve my sentence structure? Whatever it is, be specific and write it down. And make sure to track your progress because having clear goal will make your practice sessions more focused and effective. Now I am coming to the second thing. The second thing that you need to do is to integrate English into daily activities. Yes, guys, the key thing here is you can make English a part of your day-to-day routine. And you can start by speaking to yourself in English. Whether you are working or cooking or getting ready in the morning. For example, if you are making breakfast, then try saying in English, I am making an omelette. I am boiling water for making tea. This may feel a little awkward at first, but trust me, it will really helps you get comfortable with thinking in English. And try speaking small sentences and soon it will become natural for you to use English in daily life. Now I'm coming to the third thing. The third thing that you need to do is to practice with others. Yes, guys, you have to practice with others. Language learning is much easier when you have someone to practice with. So, find a partner or find a friend who is also learning English or use online platforms. You can also join English speaking groups or social media or applications like Joe Skill, S Fluency, Body Talk, Talk Now, Hello Talk. These are all speaking English applications. You can use them to practice your English with. And remember, don't afraid to make mistakes. That's how we learn. Now I'm coming to the fourth thing. The fourth thing that you need to do is to use English media. Yes, guys. Another great way to use English is by consuming English media. Movies, podcasts, TV shows, even YouTube videos are great tools to help you immerse yourself in English. If you are watching a movie or listening to a podcast, then pay attention to the words and phrases they use and try to mimic them the way they speak, their tone and their pronunciation. This will not only help you with listening comprehension, it will also help you with improving your speaking skills. Now I'm coming to the fifth thing. The fifth thing that you need to do is to stay consistent and be patient. Yes, guys, finally, you have to be consistent. And remember, learning English is a marathon, not a sprint. So, even if you spend 10 to 15 minutes to practice your English, then do it every single day. And little by little, you will see improvement. And remember, it is normal to face challenges, but don't get discouraged. Keep practicing and most importantly, be patient with yourself. The more consistent you are, the better result you will be. So that's it for today's video. I hope these tips will help you build a daily routine to speak English. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care. Have a great day.